Today's recipe is an original Japanese-style pasta. Out of all the pasta dishes I've made, this might be my favorite. The dish is spring pasta with salmon and Nanohana. Nanohana is related to the canola plant. Nanohana, from the same plant as canola oil. It might be hard to find outside Japan, so you can substitute with rapeseed greens, mustard greens, broccoli rabe, or broccoletti. I've listed all the ingredients in the description, so check that out too. First, sprinkle salt over the salmon and let it rest for a bit. This helps remove excess moisture. Today, I'm using salmon collar. It's rich and fatty, perfect for oil-based pasta with vegetables. You can also mix fatty and lean parts for a nice balance. While we wait, let's prep the other ingredients. Trim the tough ends of the Nanohana. Remove any discolored leaves. You can easily tear it by hand into bite-sized pieces. Next, Shiso leaves. Slice them thin so they mix well with the pasta. Daikon sprouts with a slight peppery kick. If you just want the texture, any sprouts will work. Radish sprouts are the closest in flavor. Remove the seeds from the chili and chop it finely. If you like it spicy, you can keep the seeds. They're actually the spiciest part. I've worked in an Italian restaurant before, so today is pasta. Italian pasta is very popular in Japan, but Japanese-style pasta is just as loved. Start by cooking the salmon skin side down. Once lightly browned, cover and cook gently. We don't want to lose the moisture. Finely chop 1 small clove of garlic. When the water is boiling, add salt and cook the pasta. Follow the package instructions. But there's one way to tell doneness without a timer. I'll show you today. Don't forget to flip the salmon and cook it through with the lid on. Three minutes. When you lift it, it still looks stiff, right? 5 minutes. It becomes softer and bends a bit more. And when it's ready, lift it up. See how it bends and slightly sticks together? That's when it's perfect. Twist it a little and it lightly sticks. That's your best timing. If you don't use a timer, give this a try. Once the salmon is cooked, flake it and remove the bones. Keep the pieces a bit chunky for texture. And don't throw away the skin. In the same pan, use the remaining oil. Add garlic, Nanohana, chili. Then add pasta water to emulsify. Add kombu dashi here. In the US, kombu is available. If you don't have dashi powder, simmer kombu in the pasta water and use that. Turn off the heat. Grate lemon zest. Add the pasta and toss everything together. Add shiso and mix again. Almost done. Plate it up. By the way, do people in your country eat salmon skin? When it's crispy, it has amazing flavor. So today, we'll use it as a topping. Trim off any tough parts. Cut it into small pieces. Cook it in a hot pan with olive oil, almost like frying. Once crispy, it's ready. Final plating. Top with the crispy salmon skin. Scatter some Daikon sprouts around. Let's eat. It's slowly getting warmer here in Japan. You can feel spring coming. Nanohana is a seasonal spring ingredient. Around this time, it's used in many dishes, even tempura. As spring comes, I'm thinking of doing more outdoor filming. I'm currently staying in the countryside to recover, but this town is famous for cherry blossoms. I'm planning videos with street food and sakura, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.